Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to just do some eyeshadow. I didn't really have anything planned, so I'm gonna just go along with it. And for today I'm gonna use the ColourPop California Love palette. I've been dying to get this palette ever since it came out. I think it came out maybe like 7 months ago, I think. And this is how it looks. It's just so beautiful. And I had to have it because I'm from California, so it only makes sense to get it. So I already primed my eyelids and I just used my ColourPop concealer, and my face is already done because I didn't really want to do it after my eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with I think I'm gonna go in with Laguna mixed with the Bay. A little bit of pickup, and I'm gonna just put that in my crease. Let me actually get my mirror. And I'll just put that right here. So far it's getting good payoff. Super nice. But there's a lot of fallout on this. I think I'll just deepen it up and I'll go in with the Gold Rush. It looks pretty funny right now. Hopefully I can make it better. I think I'm gonna go in next with Highway 1. It also has the Highway 1, Mission, and Gold Rush. They all have, like, they're all sparkly. Oh, I've been on Highway 1 once. So beautiful. I went like maybe like 2 years ago. Oh, so nice. So I think I'm gonna take a bigger brush. I want to go again because it's just a relaxing drive, just driving along the ocean. It's too beautiful not to go. I'll take it along my crease as well, not feathering it out, just in between. I don't know why, but I feel like this side is way darker than this side. I want to go back in with this and go back into Gold Rush. I think now I want to go in with Sequoia. A little better. Oh, this color is so beautiful. Let me just get a brush and dust up all that fallout. Stamping it on seemed to help get more of a pop with this shade. Okay, and I'm gonna go back in with Highway 1 just a little, blend that up. I think I might go in with Surf Ride or Cruisin', just a little. Oh, super beautiful. Just put it on the outer edge right here. I really just try to dust it off my finger. Clean up the edge just a little bit. Like that. Try to get off all that glitter that fell. Just a little bit. Oh, not too much. I'll use that on both sides. Didn't really want to use that much. Oh, I love that shadow. I really do. I'm gonna take Highway 1 with a little bit of Gold Rush and put that on my bottom. Alright, I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Alright, so here is my completed look. I just love the palette. Like, just look at it. Just so beautiful. So I just threw on some ColourPop lashes, and then I put on my e.l.f. matte liquid lipstick in coffee. I was thinking maybe a red lip, but I was like, maybe not. So I just put brown. I put on some, where is it? My Betty Boop that collaborated with Ipsy, and I just used this. I used this one and this one together. That's how it looks. The middle one's like a shimmery shade. And then for my bronzer, I used my Bronzed Bondi by Becca. And yeah, again, I didn't put highlighter on because I didn't want to. And for my face, I used the Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer and just a little bit of the concealer. But yeah, so this is the final look. I love how it came out. Highly recommend you get this palette because it's just too beautiful not to have. So yeah, if you like this look, like and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching.